राज्यातली कोयराची समस्या हाताळपाक राज्यात कोयर महामंडळ स्थापन करपाची गरज आसा आणि मुखेलमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर हांच्या नेतृत्वाखाला आपूण त्या महामंडळाची जबाबदारी घेवपाक तयार आसा अशें कलंगूटचे आमदार मायकल लोबो हांणी सांगले।
शुक्रवारा पणजे गांधी जयंती निमतान जाल्ल्या कार्यावळीत कळंगूटचे आमदार मायकल लोबो उलयताले।
The government has to be firm first. The government has to give the infrastructure first. We have to set up proper, the most advanced garbage treatment plants, the one which is coming up at Kalangut. Building the plant, we have already constructed, the entire shed is ready. We acquired the land. We are serious on garbage. But if we want all those tourists who are gone away from Goa to come back, then we have to see that there is no garbage seen anywhere on the streets, on the footpaths, in the marketplace, in the river, next to the river, everywhere. It has to be garbage-free zone. For that, we will have to work first on the infrastructure, which we are doing in Kalangut. North Goa coastal garbage, which will be there, will be taken care by this plant, 100 tons a day.
गांधीजीचे नितळसाणाचे तत्व लक्षात दवरून राज्यातली कोयराची समस्या पयस करपाक वावरूंक जाय अशें तांणी मुखार म्हळें।
That government needs to form the garbage corporation. I went to Honorable Defence Minister and Chief Minister and the party president. We met today and I explained to them the need and the promise which was given in 2012 by our government in our manifesto that we will clean Goa, we will not have garbage in Goa if this government comes to power. Garbage corporation is very much important and I have shown willingness to be the vice chairman of the corporation. I am ready to take the entire North Goa garbage and even South Goa garbage if the government is serious in setting up 4 plants and making this corporation into reality immediately. We have corporation for all departments. We don't have corporation for garbage. We are blaming the village panchayat. We are blaming the municipality. I'm saying no. First form the garbage corporation. Everybody will have a phone number. If you see garbage on the road, call that corporation. That truck will come and collect the garbage. For that we require the plant. Chairman of a garbage corporation should be the chief minister. Because we require a lot of assistance from the government. And Chief Minister, being the head of the corporation, is the main person who will give us whatever is required, the backing. So I can be the front person to go and see that every village panchayat helps us to collect the garbage. We will collect the garbage. Manohar Parrikar said, yes, this is what Michael is saying is 100% right. And he told the Chief Minister, this is what we had promised the people of Goa and we need to bring it into reality. And he said, within the next 6 months, form this corporation, make an act. If it has to go in the assembly, the legislative assembly, to form this corporation, do it. See that this is done immediately.
राज्यातली कोयराची समस्या सुटावी करपा खातीर राज्यात 4 कोयराचे प्रकल्प गरजेचे आसा अशें लोबो हांणी सांगले।
It is our duty to start such type of garbage treatment plant which we are starting in Kalangut, 4 in Goa. If we want entire garbage problem to be solved, and then tell the people this is the dustbin given to you, you have to put your garbage here and we will collect it. And 130,000 square meter land acquired, the plant is almost getting ready. I'll take another 4 to 5 months. Okay. Same way, 2 in South Goa and 2 in North Goa, means another 1 more is required in North Goa.